Just a short video on locating traps. This tends to be some later fall activity. Here we have a mole mound traversing along the edge of an edger to another mole mound. Not a bad location for a Telpex if it will fit along the edger, otherwise go to a trap line. In the next section we have something kind of similar. Again, another mole mound. You can probe around to find that tunnel. Once the probe hits the tunnel, it'll jot in a little bit quicker, and that's how you locate the tunnel. Sometimes the tunnels will be located not directly between two mounds, but off center, maybe 5 inches one way or 5 inches to the other way. Again, some more fall activity. This is more tunnel activity where you can see that the roots of the underlying grass have been disrupted, and that helps you identify the tunnel. Please check out the main modern mole trapping page on YouTube for some additional videos related to locating and placing traps.